Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing well. Happy New Year to everyone. Today's video we are going to discuss about an important concept, that is Excel. Excel is an important tool, important skill which every student has to learn from the beginning, which is very important skill to face their career profession, to start their career. It is an important skill that every student should know from the beginning. So in today's video we are going to discuss about Excel. So from starting basics to the understanding of you all have been starting with a basic of what is Excel. So yeah, Microsoft Excel. Excel is provided by Microsoft. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows users to organize, analyze, manipulate data using rows and columns. Usually, if you see the spreadsheet of the balance sheet, it is a combined of rows and columns, like rows in the numbers, columns in the letters, like ABC are the letters, numbers 1 to 3. So this Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is a software. It is a spreadsheet program that allows an users to organize, analyze and manipulate data using rows and columns. Like we can analyze the data, organize the data, like separate column for date, like name of the customers, phone numbers, email address, like that. So we can organize, analyze what we have to do, clear the data, and manipulate what we have to do. From this what we can acquire. So this Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows users to organize, analyze and manipulate the data using rows and columns. A very simple meaning which is also useful, and also in interview they may ask about what is Microsoft Excel. So next, what to sell in Excel? As I said, Microsoft is a spreadsheet containing rows and columns. Here we actually say cell, particular cell to enter a data. As I said, we organize, analyze and manipulate data. So to enter a data, that particular area we call it as a cell. So a simple meaning of a cell is that a cell, I have given a meaning here. A cell is a basic unit in an Excel where data is entered. It is identified by a unique combination of column, letter and row number. As I said y'all, it is a basic unit. If in a practical manner, if you see the Excel spreadsheet, you can identify and understand this meaning very clearly. So a cell is a basic unit in an Excel where data is entered. It is identified by an unique combination of row, letter and number column. And for your purpose, I'll just show the example how this basically looks like. See, this is a basic spreadsheet looks like. See, this is the column letters, this is the letters, this is the columns and row numbers. The basic unit here, this is the data we enter here, this is called as a cell. So this we mean it a basic unit in Excel where we enter a data, and it is a combination of both column and letter. See how we can say this both the combination means. See, what we say is row number and column letter. See, column, in a column C, row 3 we have entered something. So we say it is a combination of column, letter and row number. It is a basic unit that we call it as in cell. It is combination of both. So next, yeah, what is a spreadsheet? As I mentioned, MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. I am giving a basic understanding what is this spreadsheet program also. So, a spreadsheet program is a computer program that can capture, display, manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. Spreadsheet software is a software application capable of organizing, storing, analyzing data in a tabular form. This, as I said, Excel allows user to organize, analyze and manipulate data. In a deeper we go, what this actual spreadsheet does, it is an computerized program that helps us to capture, display, manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. We can display the data, we can manipulate the data using rows and columns. This spreadsheet software is a software application which is capable of arranging, organizing, storing, analyzing a data in a tabular form, where we can organize the data, arrange the data, manipulate the data, display the data, store the data, analyze the data according what you want, and this also help us to display the data. We can this actually this spreadsheet help us to create a charts, maps, etc. So it is an spreadsheet is nothing but it is a software application. In simple, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows users to organize, analyze and manipulate data. What is a spreadsheet is nothing but it is a software computerized program, software application capable of organizing, storing, analyzing data in a tabular form. Features of MS Excel. Here I have taken only 5 main features of an MS Excel which is popular and known, and this also contains many features. So the main features of MS Excel are auto calculation. It helps users to calculate automatically, auto complete, auto correct, drag and drop, where you can delete or you can insert whatever you want. Number formatting, this also helps an user in number formatting, like you don't want to enter like 1 2 3 in a numerical format. You can just use a number formatting, where you can just give an information to that. I need a number formatting like 1 to 100. It gives an automatic number formatting. Templates, this also provides an templates like borders. You can highlight, you can make a charts, tables, etc. That is, I have mentioned charts. So this is the main features of MS Excel, like auto calculation, auto complete, autocorrect, drag and drop, number formatting, templates, charts, and even in the charts it provides a combination of variety of charts that have been covered in upcoming video. Next, what is the advantages of MS Excel? Why this MS Excel is uh, more useful in business, profession, career, in day-to-day activities of an business. So, the main features of MS Excel I have explained. This is an advantages why it has a more weightage. Advantages of MS Excel: easy data input, data retrieval is easy, more reliable, mathematical formulas, one location for all data. You can use many spreadsheets. You can retrieve data easily, whichever is lost. You can use a mathematical formula. Password protection, that only the known person can use. This Excel provides an password protection. Easy to work with the data. As I said, it helps in analyzing, organizing, manipulating, have a control of a data. Many free templates, so you can use many templates, highlights the data, etc. Next, as I said, it provides a charts. I have mentioned here what type of a charts bars are used in next video. Here Next question is, mention the different types of bars in MS Excel. As I said, what are the types of bars in MS Excel? If you see the opening new spreadsheet, the first screen, you can find a title bar where you can given a title for what type of an file you are creating. Menu bar, what you want, it shows the combination of menus you need. Formula bar, where you can enter the formulas. Status bar and toolbar, these are the different types of bars which is included in the MS Excel. These are the important concept before going to a practical work in the Excel. As I said, MS Excel is an combination of all rows and columns, where we use a data to organize, analyze and manipulate. What type of data we can use in this MS Excel? So I have given you earlier, mention the types of data in a MS Excel. Like we can use for a numerical purpose, text purpose, formulas like numerical calculation we can do, text like email address, manual human names, products, the text we can use, formulas to calculate what we need, like many formulas we use in MS Excel to collect the data, analyze the data. That will be, I'll explain in upcoming videos. So this is what the types of data we usually use in the MS Excel. Here, next, write the different types of operators used in the MS Excel. What kind of operator we use? Operators are nothing but the symbols which we use usually in the MS Excel. Arithmetic operators like plus, minus, percentages. Relational operators like greater than, equal to. Comparison, assignment operators, logical operators, and or not, and function, if function or function, that all be I'll explain in upcoming videos. So first, to collect the basic knowledge of an Excel, we should know these basic concepts. So next, and here I said you all that cell is an basic unit in a spreadsheet. So we define the cell also with a name like cell address or cell reference. So reference and cell address is a combination of column letter and row number. Like in a basic, what is a cell in Excel is nothing but it is a combination of a row and column letter. A cell reference or cell address is a combination of a column letter and row number that identifies a cell on a worksheet. For example, as I shown you all before, A1 refers to the cell at the interaction of column A and number row. As I given an example, I'll show you all here. As I said you all, A1 refers to a cell at interaction of column A and row 1. Here I have mentioned a cell that is a column C and row 3. So cell reference and cell address. Cell address is your column C, cell reference is your row 1. So this is the example of column and row, the interaction of an cell address and cell reference. As I said y'all, the basic functions in MS Excel are sum function, average function, maximum, minimum, sort function, today function. These are the basic function. In upcoming videos, I'll clearly practically explain how to use this using the formulas. So the basic functions are average function, sum function, minimum, maximum, sort, today, etc. And I'll give you all an explanation about what is this function in MS Excel. Here, a function in an Excel is a predefined formula that performs a specific calculation functions, takes inputs, arguments, and returns the results. Here, a function in Excel is a predefined formula. It is an predefined formula by the software program. It performs a specific calculation. Whatever calculation you need, it functions. It takes the input and arguments are nothing but what you are what you are giving you what you are giving this request for that you need a sum function, like I said, your today function, sort function, that is a argument. You are giving an input for that and it retrieves the result. Yeah, it uses the function to the existing data. From that data it gives you the results. So a function in Excel is nothing but a predefined formula that performs a specific calculation function, takes inputs and returns results. So the basic functions are sum function, average function, maximum function, minimum function, sort function and today function. Next, here, as I said, y'all, charts and types of charts. Here, this Excel also provides as a charts. Charts are like now you have given some of the sales data, like 10 members have purchased 10 cloths and 10 bottles. So for this you need a chart. So keeping this data, you can create a chart in the Excel. Charts are the graphical representation of a numerical data, a set of a numerical data which is actually plotted. Is called as a data series. See, data series is nothing but here a numerical data which the data which you are giving to the Excel, the set of numerical data is which is plotted on the graph is called as a data series. Each value in a data series is a data point. Data series can be rows or columns. Okay, data series is nothing but the data which you are giving as an input to the Excel. Types of the charts you can extract from the Excel are column chart, bar charts. Bar charts and pie charts are common even for the school students, like cylindrical, cone, pyramid, line charts, scatter charts. Scatter charts are the most important charts which more used by the professionals and business companies. Area chart, donut chart, radar chart and surface chart. More types of charts you can take from the create from the Excel. And this Excel also provides where you can change the colors for the charts, give the name for the charts, you can change the design, you can change the colors, background, etc. I have also given here what type of functions we can basically use in the Excel, like financial function, statistical function, mathematical function. Functions are the common which we can use in the Excel, but what type of function, like I have separated and given you, like financial function are coup days, coupnum, rate, NPV, IRR, FV, IPMT. See, this all the which is used for the higher purpose, like school college students, let them just understand the basic Excel is an enough. So next, statistical function, average, standard deviation, mean, median, mode. Here for POC students, statistical students, they usually contains statistic more often, mean, median, average, mode, standard deviation, where they can practice in the Excel, which will be useful for their exam purpose and also for their career, like mathematical functions, sum, round, ceiling, floor, etc. So for today's video I have covered almost all the basics of an Excel. So in upcoming videos I have been uh, providing more information about Excel, and also I have been creating a practical session also. If you all need of this a simple revision for preparing for an Excel interview or an beginner friendly PDF, I can also create a PDF and send it to you all for a free of purpose. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you all understand about the Excel, and see you all with and more interesting topics. Thank you.